Input-output device management. Device drivers. So device drivers are softwares. The computer communicate with the peripheral devices through the device driver software. So device drivers provide the software interface to hardware devices, enabling operating system and other computer programs to access hardware functions without knowing the precise hardware details. For example, if I'm going to use the printer, then there is a printer driver software. So printer device driver software, then my printer software is going to install it. Normally plug and play. Or else we have to insert the CD and run it. So normally after Windows 10, most of the programs coming with the plug and play with the internet access. So device drivers depend on the both hardware and the operating system loaded them into the computer. Then next one is spooling. Spooling, then these are the input-output device management. First one, device driver software. Then spooling is an acronym of simultaneous peripheral operations in the online. That means if you are going to give the print command same time that multiple print commands are coming, then it will keep on the pool. First come, first serve will be there. So spool refer to putting data various input-output jobs in the buffer. So buffering is there until the correct job comes. So this buffer is a special area in memory or hard disk which accessible to input-output devices. So normally input outputs are the slower. Therefore, the buffers are used to uh, manage this. That means this buffer is a special area in memory or hard disk which is accessible to input output devices. Then operating system does the following activities related to the distributed uh, environment. Handles input output devices, data spooling, as device have the different data access rates. So it maintains a spooling buffer which provide waiting station where the data can reset when the slower device catches up. So think one device is working very slow. Then operating system has to wait until it completed executing. So in such situation, if it is slower, then program will reset the command. Okay? Rather than wasting the time. Then the last slide, maintain the parallel computation because of the spooling process as a computer can perform input-output parallel fashion. Input-output process keep on carrying same time the parallel computations are happening. Then at the same time many input-output functionalities can be happen. So it becomes possible to have the computer read data from the tape, write data to the hard disk, and to write out the tape printer while it is doing the computer. So earlier days we used the tape recorder, but now no longer it's available. So the now think this is a card reader. So card reader input the data to the hard disk, then think it is a hard disk in virtual memory, then random access memory and the virtual memory. So from the card reader to get the information to the virtual random access memory. If the space is not there in the RAM, move into the virtual memory. Then with the help of that, it will print it. Okay. So if the space is not there only, it will move the virtual memory. So if it is saved in the virtual hard disk, from that even take, if the data is saved in the hard disk, from there even can take. So the spooling operation use the disk as the very large buffer, hard disk as very large buffer. Spooling is capable to overlapping input-output operation for one job process operation another job. So simultaneous parallel programming can be happen with the help of spooling. So buffering is there. Same time if the two print commands are giving as well as you are listening to the music. So spooling allowing you to complete parallel computation. If you have the network, so within a network printer, several people can give the print command, but it will execute first come first serve basis. Okay? This diagram is actually outdated, but it is there in the teacher guide. That's what I gave. Since it is there, we'll write. This disk is virtual memory as well as from the hard disk. Information also can take take into the printout. So this memory should be RAM. Okay. Memory means random access memory. Here virtual memory and this normal hard disk also there. We'll start copying. That's all for the operating system. Okay. Then we will discuss 2020 past paper. Okay, start copying this slide, this one, and this.